Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys home screen wallpaper setting in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to set your home screen wallpaper in your Samsung phone, so friends you can set. And but now let's see how to set home screen wallpaper. Friends, you can see guys your lock screen wallpaper, and friends you can see your home screen wallpaper. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting to set home screen wallpaper. Then guys we will scroll and click on wallpaper and style setting guys. Click on my wallpaper setting. So friends, you can see guys your phone wallpaper, and friends you can see your download wallpaper setting. So friends, you will have to click on guys this any wallpaper for your home screen. So example for guys, we will click this one wallpaper for our home screen. Friends, click on your phone main set as home screen wallpaper. Guys tap here, guys apply here. Friends, your home screen wallpaper will set in your Samsung phone. Friends, you can see your home screen wallpaper, and friends you can see your lock screen wallpaper. They both are different. So like that guys, you can set your home screen wallpaper in your Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye guys.